Are you worried that the person you are dating is a narcissist? And even if he is, why is it something to be worried about? It is emotionally dangerous to date a narcissist male, and your relationship with that person can quickly turn into a toxic one and will destroy your emotions for a very long time. But how? Why does that happen? How can you identify the signs of a narcissist male, and once you identify, what should you do? If these are the questions in your mind, stick till the end of the video. But before I discuss the signs, let me elaborate on who is a narcissist. The term narcissist is used for a person who is excessively in love with himself. Narcissistic personality disorder, one of several types of personality disorders, is a mental condition in which people have an inflated sense of their own importance, a deep need for excessive attention and admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. So what happens when you are in a relationship with a narcissist? Well, if you are having any kind of relationship with a person with narcissistic personality disorder, your life can quickly crumble and you will feel devastated for a very long time. In the beginning, there's flash and excitement. Their presence is magnetic and he seems larger than life. They are intelligent, charming and popular. And when they are the center of attention, some of the spotlight shines on you too, leaving you glowing with pride, importance and accomplishment. Yet after a while, you discover that under the surface, the relationship is hollow. Soon, the excitement and status fades away. Before I move on with this important topic, do you want to learn how you can become a true high-value woman and attract the guy of your dreams into your life? Do you want to make any guy fall in love with you and get completely obsessed with you? If yes, then you should download this free ebook which I personally wrote, where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. I assure you that you will learn some secrets that will help you get your man obsessed with you, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time from the first link in the description box below. So with that aside, here are some easy to spot signs that you are dating a narcissist male. Sign number 1. Narcissists lack emotional empathy. A lack of emotional empathy means that narcissists do not feel bad when they hurt you. They may even fail to notice your reaction when they hurt you. And even if they do, it is highly likely that they will not care. If you complain about it, they will react with "you are too sensitive," or they will blame you that you are too stupid and dumb to understand things and situations. Besides being rude and hurtful, they will rarely apologize as they find it too humiliating to accept blame, even when they get to know that they were completely wrong. Sign number 2. Narcissists are extremely selfish. Narcissists see people as objects and often leave their romantic partners feeling more like an accessory rather than a living and breathing human being. A narcissist will be the most respectful and attentive partner when there are people around. He will act as if he is super caring and affectionate towards you, but when no one is watching, he will put his needs and demands over you. One of the easiest ways to detect a possible narcissist is by listening to the way he speaks. He would be talking about himself most of the time and will dominate the conversation among you. Common conversational topics for narcissists includes accomplishments and achievements, excessive focus on personal issues and one's looks and materialism, and putting others down to show one's own superiority. Sign number 3. Narcissists will exploit you. Narcissists will do anything to feel special at the cost of those around them. He will not care about your feelings and sentiments and is capable of doing anything to feel they are bigger than you. If feeling special means taking credit for someone else's work, so be it. If he has to criticize others to feel superior, he will do it. This means that his self-esteem is more important than you could ever be. When he feels that his self-esteem gets hurt, he will do anything to make you feel inferior and devalue you so that he could get another dose of superiority. So the closer you are to him, the chances of him insulting and devaluing you regularly increases. I hope you can now get an idea of how dangerous it is to date a narcissist male. So, what can you do to spot these signs in the early honeymoon phase of a relationship? Well, here are some of the early warning signs that you can spot and protect yourself from getting too emotionally involved with a narcissist boyfriend. Warning sign number 1. A narcissist will place you on a pedestal. Narcissists have a habit of elevating their partners on unrealistic levels in the start of the relationship. A narcissist will tell you that it was love at first sight, that you are soulmates, and other romantic things. He will wait for you to get too emotionally involved and fall completely in love with him before showing his real face. He's waiting to gain control of you, your heart, and the relationship. Warning signal number 2. A narcissist will describe his ex as unstable or crazy. During the honeymoon phase of the relationship, narcissists are on their best behavior, and this makes it pretty difficult to spot some of these warning signs. But a narcissist will always talk about his past relationships with you and describe his ex as mad or unstable or crazy. He will try his level best to create a negative image of his ex and play a victim card. Pay attention to this warning signal as it's very important. Warning signal number 3. Narcissists make sudden plans on occasions when you have something else planned. Narcissists have a habit of controlling people, their emotions and situations. When they feel that they are dependent on others, they feel inferior and uneasy. Therefore, when he feels that you are getting independent or have other things to do in life, he will do something to get your attention back. For example, you have an outing planned with your female friends tonight, and he will call you saying that he has brought 2 tickets for your favorite movie star's latest movie. A narcissist has a habit of taking control over the situation by making sudden plans when he feels that you are getting busy with other things in your life. Warning signal number 4. A narcissist will try and isolate you from your other friends and family. Narcissists have a habit of making their partners feel guilty for spending time with other friends, even if they are female. Gradually, in order to keep him calm, you will start to cut off with other friends and people in your life. By the time you will realize that you have no one else to share your life with, it could be too late. So, if during the honeymoon phase, your boyfriend has problems with you spending time with other friends and family members, that could be a red flag for you. I know it's easy to mistake that behavior for his care and love, but believe me, love is not something to be put in a cage. Warning signal number 5. He is emotionally invulnerable. Narcissists imagine themselves as perfectly self-sufficient and invulnerable. They express themselves as they are not vulnerable and have no fear of losing you. Whenever you are sharing your emotions or life experiences, he will try to change the topic or will never ever share his emotions. He will be emotionally unavailable. He will never let you feel that he is insecure. Instead, he will lash out in anger of superiority. He will pinpoint all the things that you are lacking. He will start arguments on different topics to hide his feeling of insecurity and vulnerability. So, if you spot any of these warning signals during the initial phase of your relationship, be very cautious about your emotional attachability and try to stop yourself from trusting him completely. I hope that this video helped you in understanding the reasons and signs behind your man's narcissist behavior and how you can detach yourself from him before things get worse. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. And yeah, if you want your guy to be obsessed with you over and over and how you can be a true high value woman, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below.